Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Express screencast with me, Teacher Jimmy. Today's lesson focuses on GED Social Studies, and our topic for today is all about the Bill of Rights, which are the 10 Amendments. Many delegates of the states were against signing the Constitution without a Bill of Rights included. It became a major issue in ratifying the Constitution in some states. As a result, James Madison wrote 12 amendments and presented them to the First Congress in 1789. On December 15, 1791, 10 of the amendments were passed and made part of the Constitution. They would later become known as the Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights means added in order to get anti-federalists to agree to ratify the new Constitution. The first 10 amendments to the Constitution, and an amendment is an addition to the Constitution. You can see here in the picture or the illustration, it is illustrated Bill of Rights. So there are 10 Bill of Rights who are using this one. Many people are using this one in the United States of America even nowadays. But actually, I'll explain to you, there are 27 amendments in the Constitution, which the United States of America or American people are using it. So we have here freedom of expression, which is the First Amendment. It means freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly and petition. The Second Amendment, what does it say? It means that keep and bear arms. So actually, in the United States of America, you can have your own gun, revolver, or pistol. But of course, there's a procedure. You have to be registered first before buying it. So it's not like they will give you right away the gun or the revolver or the pistol right away. But when you're going to avail or buy that one, there is a processing. Okay, so that means that the purpose of to have an arm or things like this, it's for your protection. It's for your self-defense. The Third Amendment, not putting soldiers in your home or at your house, at your place. So that means you are not allowed to let them in. Whether they are working or not working, that means to be safe enough that nobody or civilian can let those soldiers come into your house for your safety purposes indeed. The Fourth Amendment, it says no illegal search. So that means that those police or CIA or NBI, they are not allowed to get in or to search in your house without a warrant of arrest, unless there is a paper or a complaint or a warrant of arrest. They are allowed to get inside your house and do a search. But if there's no warrant of arrest, that means they cannot touch you. They cannot do something or cannot search at your place or in your house rather. The Fifth Amendment, or the due process of law, can be tried twice, must be paid for what the government takes, don't have to be a witness against yourself. So it means that you have a due process of law. You can get a public or a private lawyer, and then you can also do a trial as well in the jury in front of them, and then you can also manifest yourself to defend whether you do a crime or not. And also, you can also have this witness. You are not allowed to be a witness for yourself because that's against the law. That's why they provide this Fifth Amendment. The Sixth Amendment, it's called speedy public trial in form of charge rather, right of an attorney rather, very jury, witnesses, can ask them questions, can have your own as well. So these are very important factors enumeration, because in the court you have all of this information, but of course your private or public lawyer will inform you what what they're going to, or what you're going to do in the court as well. The next one is the Seventh Amendment, jury trial for lawsuit. So you can see the picture, it's very obvious that there's also like people watching and looking and listening. What is the debate all about? What is the crime all about? So they're also educate how to do a trial in the court as well. The 18th Amendment, no fines are too high, no cruel or unusual punishment. The Ninth Amendment says these are rights are not only rights we have. So we the people, by the people, and for the people. So you have rights or human rights. Last but not the least, the 10th Amendment, the government only has the power or powers listed in the Constitution. All other powers are saved for the state and the people. So we have an illustrated Bill of Rights, which are the 10 Bill of Rights. It's very essential nowadays or even before. American people, whether they're working in the government or a civilian, they're applying this one even nowadays. On December 15, 1791, 10 amendments were added to the Constitution. The Bill of Rights, along with the Constitution, became the law of the land. Now let's do an exercise then. Why not? So we have here question number 1. What historic document is the Bill of Rights a part of? Again, what historic document is the Bill of Rights a part of? A. The Declaration of Independence. B. The Emancipation Proclamation. C. The Constitution. D. The Gettysburg Address. E. The Pledge of Allegiance. Can you guess the answer? Okay, let's try to answer this one. The answer is C. Correct. You are so right. The answer is the Constitution. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends since you have already know this Bill of Rights. You might as well subscribe and click the button below, and you can also connect with us at www.phuketpals.org or visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/phuketpals. If you have questions or inquiries regarding our organization, give us a message through line or call us directly at 081-417-09178. That's all for today, and see you all in my next screencast, guys, and have a great day. Bye!